Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox this Nintendo Switch Lite Zacian and Zamazenta edition, okay? Pokemon Sword and Pokemon Shield games sold separately, okay? So this is basically just the design, so it's limited edition console. So let's open up what the box looks like. Let's see, it opens here. Okay. This opens here. You have the console. These are the colors. This is blue. This is kind of red. Serial number here. SD card there. Okay. So everything, the design of the console is like same as like regular Nintendo Switch Lite, just the colors. So this one is special. And let's see what else we have here. We have here this paper, that paper, and this one is EU edition, which is no big deal. They're all kind of the same. Just the difference is in the plug. So this is EU plug. It's the round one, so you need maybe something like have this insignia set here, so you can use it has this thing. You can buy something like this. Plenty of generic, like very cheap ones. Plug like this and charge. So don't be scared of EU edition. You just need like this thing, and this thing may be useful, you know, somewhere else as well. So that's pretty much it. That's all the unboxing. Thank you very much for watching.